In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut audio out of your video in Davinci Resolve 18. Okay, so once you drag your video onto the timeline, you'll see the video track and the audio track here in green. Now, if you go to razorblade and cut the audio track, you'll notice it also cuts the video track together. Now, if you just want to cut the audio track without cutting the video track, click on this chain link to unlink the two clips. Sometimes that might not always be enough, so just right click on the audio track and uncheck this link clips checkbox, okay? And click on just the audio track alone. Go to razorblade and just cut out parts of audio track with the razorblade. But there's one more thing you need to know if you want to cut audio effectively, and that is the button over here. Now, see, currently you are in custom zoom, which is the default setting. But if you click on detail zoom, timeline will automatically scale to granular zoom level, so you can cut out each word here individually. Now, my audio track does not have any sound, but on your audio track, you'll see these sound waves, and clicking on this detail zoom will automatically rescale to that granular level where you can cut out specific words out of your audio track. And that's pretty much how you cut audio in Davinci Resolve 18.